Hello, everybody, and welcome back. This is Charles Frank. It is 4th of July today. Today we are going to a barbecue, a pool party. It's been such a wild week. This video is just about the action that is happening on the real estate side, especially on our end. I want to tell you what we're doing, what we can do for you. I've done like 8 videos of pure information, but just real quick, I wanted to inform you that we are closing up a huge escrow deal probably next week, and then I am getting my client a house that he is going to fix and flip, and me and my team are getting him a house that he can actually finance. Now, fix and flippers usually have to have hard money, but we got the connections where we can finance it, and he's going to make a huge profit, and we're going to sell it again. On top of that, we just got another client coming in from Bakersfield who's a major developer. We're buying a bunch of land for him down here from another connection that we have. He's going to get it at the cheapest price possible. That's why he's working with us. He's a major developer. And then he is going to build the houses. I'm going to team him up with another client of ours, and they're going to become partners. And then we will be listing those houses as they are built. Now, how are we able to do all this, and why I'm telling you guys to take an action to reach out to us before things get a little too crazy is because the reason that we're able to accomplish all this is because we have 3 people, and there's only 3 people on the team. We literally split the commission we get between the 3 of us, unlike the one realtor you're going to work for, because we're so efficient that our business is growing so quickly. At the top is Fernando. He is 25 years in the business. He is the big boss. I am the salesman. I am the point man. I am the guy that is connecting people together so that the best deals can happen. I am the researcher. And then Sylvia is our contracts, and she is the analytics and the numbers, and Sylvia is just one of the most impressive human beings I've ever come across. So if you reach out to us, we are honest with you about your price. We're not going to lie to you. We're not going to say, oh, you can sell it for $5 million when really it's $2 million or some. That's obviously a big exaggeration, but something crazy like that. We get you the best price. We actually get it sold in this market at fair value. And we handle the whole process. And when I say process, I mean it is a process. So one thing that I do want to note is you can reach out to me even if you don't want to do a deal. Our philosophy is that we are in this for long-term relationships. And the way we get long-term relationships is the first thing you have to do to get a long-term relationship is excellent, impeccable, kind of mind-blowing, shocking service and results. And so that is what we focus on. So the happy 4th of July. Reach out to us for anything you need. This is just me saying that I'm hoping to hear from you soon. And starting next week, we will continue just with my little 2-minute short real estate classes video. So I hope you guys have a good 4th of July. As my daughter, we're going to take her to a barbecue pool party, and we're leaving like now, like in another half hour. So I just wanted to put this out there, make this video before we left. Just been so busy. The only way I can make it this video is if I got it in before, on my day off before we get to the pool party. So I'm working. I'm here for you. I'm available 24/7, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.